We all know I need coffee first thing in the morning. It's making. It's brewing. Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to 2023. I apologize for not posting. I was off, and it wasn't because I wanted to be off. I hurt myself, and to tell you the truth, I'm still not 100%. I'm about 70. So, but I need to keep working. I need to keep getting stuff out to you guys, and need to keep moving forward on this Blazer frame. So hey, cheers to you, and cheers to your goals and whatever the hell you want to do for 2023. And he just wants to chase the ball. Hot dog. No? That's not what you want to do? You're a funny girl. Okay, what she's trying to say is that the frame is stripped down, axles removed, and now I have to, well, I want to get a little bit more cleaning done in the hangers where the springs were attached. But I got to flip this thing over. And it weighs a little bit more than I want to try to do this by myself. I really kind of need someone to help me. So I might have Dad come down here and help out. Let me get this other stuff cleaned up real quick, and then I'll have him flip it over. So we got some parts. Rocker box, bedside. Okay, so I got a package from Motor City K5. And I want to see what it is, since I have like 6 packages coming from them. I think I know what this is. Yes. It's what I thought it was. Weather stripping. Brand new weather stripping. Ooh, nice. These are window felt and scrapers for both sides. What is this long ass piece? It's really stiff. Oh, okay. That's the channel weather stripping that goes in the door glass. This is, I'm gonna have to look this one up. Don't know what this is. Probably goes for the side windows on the Blazer top. Not exactly sure. Might have to look this one up. Came with little screws. I think this might go on the A-pillar for the doors. Or no, I don't know. This is going to be like the front windshield probably. Well, none of these are marked. I'm going to have to look these up. I ordered these months and months ago, so that's why I don't know what they are. So, pardon me. I know where these go. Wish they came with new screws. Cool. Rocker boxes. I was a little worried because it only said left hand. However, they packed them both in here. Check that out. Beautiful. Nice, huge, nice, thick metal. This is awesome. I can't wait to get these installed. Awesome. making coffee. Got more Tullies. 12 cup. All right. We got a shiny black frame. Man, look at this frame. It's beautiful. Okay, so now that the frame is nice and beautiful, and shiny and black, I have some other pieces to clean up. These are the back of the Blazer frame that attaches to the rear bumper. So I'm going to clean these up. That's not supposed to happen. This is plastic. Oh no, it's metal. Need a washer there. It's supposed to be bolted like that. Anyway, so these all go on the back part of the frame for the back bumper. You can see where the previous hitch was welded up. We're going to cut that off. We're going to clean up all these little welds, make it look better, and get it painted and remove this. So time for some time-lapse video, because we like time-lapse video. Makes it look like I did it in like 2 minutes when it probably took 2 days. All right, so we're gonna clean 50 years of dirt and grime off of this. Look at how nasty this is. Okay, yeah, you can use power washer, you can sandblast. I like to do it when it's dry like this. And yeah, see, there's a lot. I've been cleaning other parts up here, so there's a lot of mess here. I don't know why I like doing it this. I find it less messy because it's easier to sweep this up if you add a liquid into this, it's just going to create a massive mess. First thing I'm going to do is take off this little extra piece here. And then we'll start using this wire wheel on the angle grinder and take all this lovely stuff off. It's fun. Really, I promise. Ouch. There we go. Alrighty, so guess what? We got some parts. Now I've ordered a bunch of different parts for both the Mustang and the Cougar. One that came already was for the Cougar. I just don't know what this one is. Oh, there's the packing slip. Trunk lid hinge parts. Yep. I made those brackets, but I don't like those brackets. And see, these are the right brackets. Perfect. Sweet. We can put the trunk lid on properly now. I got 2 new hinges also because mine are rusted. Wow, beautiful. So nice. I love new parts. Wow, that's really nice stuff. Come out of the box. Please come out of the box. Check it out. Beautiful. This is not all that I've ordered though. So, nice. Do better than the things I made, obviously. Cool. Well, we got some of the stuff. All right, so we got these 100% cleaned. I have to wipe them down with some wax and grease remover before I paint them up. So I'm gonna do that next. Alrighty, so these are all nice and painted. Actually, only one side is. I gotta come back tomorrow and paint the bottom. Frames waiting for parts. No, these parts. I will be working on the axles here, cleaning up the springs, making them look prettier, and we'll get this thing going in the opposite direction, putting it back together. I also got some Mustang parts in, but not everything I need. I'm still waiting for parts. Don't know when they're coming. One is on back order. So I don't know if they're holding the rest of the parts. CJ Pony Parts does that sometimes. I'm surprised I got anything at all since the one part was back ordered. Don't know when it'll be here. I don't have confirmation on shipping it. So hey, thank you so much for following along. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace. It's looking good.